Hey there, it's Austin from Jumprope, and today's video is all about holiday content. Now, I know that this holiday season is going to look very different from previous holiday seasons, but we at Jumprope believe that people will still be looking for reasons to cook, craft, and celebrate safely this year. So in this video, we're going to share 7 ways to absolutely kill it this holiday with your content with the help of Jumprope. The first thing we recommend is getting a list of content ideas, and the best place to start looking for these is from your previous holiday content. So go back and look through any Halloween, Thanksgiving, Christmas, New Year's, etc. posts that you've created in the past and pull out content ideas that worked really well that you can do again this year, or find ways that you can put a twist on things, maybe do a spin-off post or a related post, and kind of continue the snowball effect of the same content that your audience already knows and loves from you. Once you have your list of content ideas, go in and think about which topics will also likely be highly searched keywords within your niche for holiday. Remember, Jumprope is a Google Web Stories publisher, and Google likes to share the most relevant content with its users. Keep this in mind by giving your video a clear and search-friendly title, publishing it to the correct category, and creating a great cover image to go along with it. If you didn't use Jumprope to create holiday content last year, don't worry, you can always repurpose existing content that you already have. Whether you take a handful of your best blog images and turn them into a great Jumprope with captions and music, or you take a previous video that you've already made and repurpose it for the app, we would love to see your pre-existing content for this holiday season. If you need any help with repurposing videos, we have a few videos on that in the Jumprope tips section of the app. It's especially important to remember to add links to your Jumprope during holiday season because this is a time when people love to shop. So whether you're adding links to craft supplies that you use to make a project, kitchen appliances that you use to make a recipe video, make sure that you add those links on your product page, and as a reminder, you can always use affiliate links if you'd like. In addition, if you'd like to drive traffic back to your blog or website, you can add a link to the entirety of your Jumprope by going to the See All page in the bottom left-hand corner and clicking Add Link. Once you come up with great content ideas and film some jump ropes, think about how you want to take advantage of the exports that we give you. For each jump rope video, you get exports you can share to every social media platform, so share to as many as you'd like to make the most mileage out of your video. For example, you can share your jump rope as a blog post and then include an Instagram story to tease it. The following week, you could share that same thing to Twitter and to Pinterest, and the week after that, you could do TikTok and IGTV. So think about which platforms are most important to you and take advantage of all of the different exports that we provide you. Remember, earlier is always better when it comes to holiday content, so try to get the content up about 4 to 6 weeks out from the actual holiday itself so that people can search for things leading up to the holiday that might be of interest to them. Our final tip is to ask your audience for feedback about what they might like to see from you this holiday season. Especially this year where everyone's holidays will be looking very different, it can never hurt to get audience feedback and hear what's most important to people and what content they'd like to see from you the most.